Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how to change the color of any object in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As you can see here, I've already imported my clip into my timeline. Now we're gonna switch to the color page. From here we're gonna go to the window tab, and then select the curve tool, and then mask out the subject. In this way the changes that we're gonna make in the next steps will only affect inside this mask. Now go to the tracker tab. From here we're gonna track the movement in the scene by clicking on this button which says track forwards and reverse. By doing this step, our mask will now follow every single movement in the scene. After that, go back to the window tab. From here add some softness to the mask. And then go to the color warper tab, and we're gonna select the Hue Saturation from here. Now from the viewer monitor, pick the color of the subject that we want to change in the scene. After selecting color, from the viewer monitor, go back to the color warper tab, and from here we can see that one small red dot is just got activated, and now, this is the last step. From here we have to do is just clicking and moving this small red dot, like this. And now, if we go back to the viewer monitor, we can see that we've just changed the color of the selected subject. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!